this is not my golden ball of wisdom. This is a simple salt lamp which is to increase the money power and overall luck. So पुराने जमाने में भी सेंधा नमक या रॉक सॉल्ट को यूज करते हैं, पानी में डाल के पोछा लगाते हैं. इट्स समथिंग दैट यू डू व्हेन यू डू वारा फेरा. इट्स समथिंग दैट यू डू जब आप मिर्ची मिला के नमक मिला के आप नजर उतारते हैं. दैट होल कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सॉल्ट इज दैट इट अब्सॉर्ब्स नेगेटिव एनर्जी and it absorbs the negative energy the fastest if it is heated a little. So obviously these salt lamps are pretty common now. I saw a few of them on the online portals. They were not good quality. They were, I think, I won't even say synthetic, but they were almost like synthetic. So don't do that. A salt lamp is to be heated. So it has a zero power bulb and then it is run through the day and through the night non-stop. It doesn't take much electricity anyways, but what it does is it'll keep absorbing negative energy in the environment. अब हमारे घर में लोग आते हैं, बाहर से आते हैं, they have energies that they carry. We go to crowded places like sometimes cremation, hospitals, office, crowded places.